If you're sick and tired of all the gimmicks and you actually want real results online without risking your time, effort, or money, then reason you don't get free buyer traffic with Prime. Just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want free buyer traffic in as little as 23 seconds and want to know how we then instantly and automatically turn that traffic into $51.77 per hour using the Prime software, then click the Get Started button below right now to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to Prime at an affordable one-time price. Oh, and I almost forgot. When you order today, you'll also get our Do Nothing system, which runs 24/7 in the background and pulls in a cool $127 a day for us on complete autopilot. Worth $997. Yours absolutely free when you act today. So, hurry. Click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.